Hello friends, today we will unbox LG K61 handset. This one handset. Let's see what's more inside. Some instructions, quick guide, one SIM ejector tool, one case, this one is transparent case. Soft. One charger, adapter. This one is only 2 ampere. One USB-C cable. Nothing else. It feels very nice in hand. You can it feels very nice in hand. You can see one punch hole selfie camera. Here is 4 camera in back, one flashlight. This one is touch screen sensor. Press volume up and down key. This one is power button. One USB-C port. This one is charging port. This one is speaker, and this one is for earphone jack 3.5 millimeter. SIM ejector. I think this one is power. Okay, and then you can see 2 buttons. That's it, very nice. I will try to give one review about this phone. Okay, before this we can try this cover. It looks really good. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.